In this video, I'm just going to quickly show you how to change the battery in your watch. This is a nice French connection watch that I have. It's been lying around in storage for a while, so I want to get it serviced. Maybe change the strap. But first I need to change the battery. Some watches, they have this case on the back. You can see there's no screws on it, so in this case all you have to do is just kind of flick it open. Some watches need a screw, so this video isn't for those kind of watches. All you have to do is take a tool like this. You can use sort of beer bottle opener or something thin which will get underneath this case. You kind of just have to angle it right, kind of get it underneath a bit and just try and wedge it open a bit, just like that. And you'll see inside is the battery. It's being covered by this plastic material here, and that's the watch battery. All you need to do now is just change this, put this back on like so, push the case back on, and that's it. You've just changed the battery in your watch.